Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak to all sisters and brothers out there. Welcome to another vlog. Today is March 11. March 11. I know, April 11.
March, oh my god.
April 11, and here in India is celebrating Eid. Yesterday in Saudi and Philippines, as well in Dubai. So now we are ready. We will go to Uncle house to celebrate.
And I'm coming later.
And to celebrate Eid there. We will not celebrate in the home so that less work. If we celebrate here in the home, we need to cook, we need to clean, we need everything, and I don't like that.
Cook,
So
clean, broom brush, mop, and arrange. 5 things we have to do. It's a headache.
that's why it's better to go there and let them cook. I will help na ng little bit. And then we will go to some of relatives of Nabid. That's it. So, we are preparing for this is my Eid dress. Like this one. Yeah. This is my Eid dress. I stitched this by myself. See guys. And I'm only wearing slippers. Yeah. And then later I will show you guys what Alia's wearing. And Nihan, I brought t-shirt and pants. Only. And the new shoes
Here.
outside. I brought that one last December. I brought so early because if we did not brought early, so expensive now. So if we brought early, they have some discounted. Even this my dress, we brought it so early and I stitch it and keep.
The cloth you brought.
Then yesterday I make it some mindy. See, not good because children only did make, and this is my mindy work. I did not make also properly because so hard. This is moon. I don't want to become like that here. It's Eid.
Friends,
Yes,
comment if this is nice or this is nice.
So Nabid and Alia is go outside because Alia is getting tantrums again, and they will buy Pepsi, I think,
And ice
soft
cream.
drinks and ice cream. We will bring it there. Now I'm finishing my milk. Behind your specs.
Okay.
Oy, be careful to the key.
I will keep it in my pocket. I will take my phone to my vlog.
So guys, see you later. Hey guys, we are here now to Maktar Mama's house and Johar Mama's. Dito kami sa room nila. Papahinga lang. Ayun yung bata, oh. Naghubad na ng kanyang dress. Oh, don't pull open it that one. It's not yours, baby. Dito kami sa kwarto nila. At napaka-init. At saka gusto kong mag-sleep. Parang inaantok talaga ako, guys. Alam nyo guys, yung nabili namin foundation. Liquid foundation. It's very nice. Ganda sa mukha. Iniwan ko lang sa bahay. Ayun ang bata, oh. Gusto niya lagi dito sa kwarto natin. At nagja-jump. Say hi. Jump. Gusto niya dito yung nagja-jump siya dito sa pama. Malambot kasi. Kasi ito yung ano nila, wardrobe. Hindi siya, ay, i-house tour ko kayo konti, guys. Okay, cutting onion and what is this? What do you call this here?
कद्दू
Kaddu.
नहीं कद्दू मीन्स क्या माँ इसमें कैसा बड़े जुलीन कहते हैं
We have here in Philippines, they call upo.
क्या क्या
Ah, they call it upo.
कैसा गॉड क्या की बोलती ना
Alia, you want this? Wow, dates.
ले
Is it that
अरे
it's
क्या बोलती
chocolate?
है इसे कद्दू
It's a date.
गार्ड बोलती है ग्रीन गार्ड क्या
No,
फिर देख मना चाहिए तो हाँ
bottle card.
मीठा मीठा
Nakalimutan ko yung English. I forget the English. But in Philippines, they calling upo.
What God did, sir? Naveen,
They
इसे
will
क्या बोलती
prepare.
हो?
Will preparing food.
जरा
And this is the makulit. Guys, we're eating dates. Hey, hi, Kano. Hi, Kano. Hi. See guys, they're not using chopping board. They cutting like that on.
नमाज में बहुत ये है
Ganyan dito sa India. May chopping board pero hindi sila gumagamit. Diba? Ang galing.
ये चाकू होना प्याज बारीक काट लेंगे चटनी को मैं काट दीजिए काट के बारीक दालचे को काटा दालचे की मोटी
And then this is spinach.
छिलका कच्चा रहता मुझे डाला लेंगे
See guys, this is their kitchen. And I'm doing vlog mommy. What?
दाल
Cook the dal.
बिरयानी ऑलरेडी
Wow! For biryani guys.
राइस
We'll eat na lang rice. The smell. They will prepare for dal now.
दाल with this we preparing dal
This is
now we can prepare sevia
yes, the sweet one. This I like.
for that
Yes, vermicelli. They will make vermicelli like what we making before in South.
sweet
This is the sweet.
in oven we'll bake
Oven?
in oven we'll bake
Ah, yes, with this stick.
now we'll prepare custard
Custard.
she'll come and prepare it
Ah, Sumaya, like what she did before. What? May nagtatawag na. Yeah, you want to see also what daddy making? Hmm? Wow. What do you do? Ah, you want to see this inside? This is this is motor lablab. See? Oh. Nothing, it's there. This is milk. Onion. Yes. And this. Wow, they bake from oven. Oh.
eggs with
Oh, that's it. Tour, ay guys, house tour ko kayo sa bahay nila. Dito yung pinaka-entrance yung hagdanan. Kasi sa tataas sila ng patira. Tapos dito yung ano nila. Yung terrace nila to. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-door. Yan, dito yung kitchen. Yan. Pasok mo. Ayan yung living room. Ayan yung living room nila guys. Tapos dito natutulog si Nani. Ayan. Tapos kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yan yung kitchen guys. Tapos ito yung kwarto ng anak nila. Ayan. Ito guys, may hidden door to eh. Ito yung hidden door niya. Alam niyo ba kung ano tong hidden door? Bathroom. Bathroom yan guys. See? Ang galing, di ba? Ganito yung mga attached bathroom dito. Naka-attach din sa cabinet. Hindi halata na may bathroom sa loob. Come here, Aria. Tapos dito naman, another room. Tulog si Maktar Mama. Tsaka kami yung kanina. Tapos ito yung main bathroom nila. Ito, sa labas. Ganun kasi dito sa Muslim. Ayan. Kita nyo ba guys? Ayan, main bathroom nila. Tapos, meron sila dito ang dirty kitchen. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Tapos dito yung sa baba, yung sa pinapaupahan nila. Tapos lang, yun lang yung bahay nila guys. Ayun lang.